What hexagons? Then I want to point out rank corruption in the cryptocurrency space that will lead to the investment opportunity of a lifetime. So Ask Rock lists the top crypto coin ranking sites by popularity to show you all these websites are gatekeeping HEX by market cap. And I'm going to show you why it's deceptive. The ranking site that does list this properly is DexScreener. DexScreen ranks consensus networks by on-chain volume. And so there's a 24-hour volume and the transactions of 60 something networks that they rank. And PulseChain is in their top 10. So this would be a website that is fairly ranking based off of chain data. Somebody's doing it right. HEX daily stats as of late November, there's 668 billion HEX. And to make my case, which is all of HEX's supply, it's not just circulating, it's participating in the ecosystem because 619 billion HEX is currently locked earning yield. So it has moved. It hasn't sold. It's never sold a single HEX, but it is moving and it is participating in the market. PLS dashboard.link. I have loaded 2 crypto wallets showing $1.4 billion worth of HEX. This is half of the total supply of HEX that is currently locked, claiming 18 million trillion shares that has earned 7.49 billion HEX, currently valued at $29 million. So not only is it participating, but it's structured participation. This is 10 years that is committed to laddering out, taking in inflation, hard locked, claiming the vast majority of HEX's inflation over the next 10 years. So in 109 days, the 33 billion HEX will mature. That's worth $133 million. So it'll get out of the pool and the pool will become nicer to investors that are currently locked in, and it will mint its yield, which raises the daily payout in the HEX pool forever. In 465 days, 1.2 million T shares in the pool will mature, minting more inflation. This is going for the next 10 years. PulseChain Stats is showing a $2.7 billion market cap for Pulse, $2.5 billion market cap for HEX, $1.8 billion market cap for PulseX, which has to date bought and burned $23 million or 8% of its supply with on-chain DEX volume on PulseChain. The HEX community will be 6 years old on December, 6 years of 100% yield generating uptime. So let's see how all of the cryptocurrency market cap websites rank us by market cap. Top 1, Bitcoin at the top with $1.8 trillion. Satoshi's coins that have never moved included in the circulating supply for the market cap of Bitcoin. We've got Ethereum, Solana, we're at $7 billion, 2.5, I don't see HEX. I don't see PulseChain. I don't see PulseX. PulseX has burned $23 million. Let's look at CoinGecko, $3 trillion market cap. I don't see us. Let's look at Coinbase. Bitcoin, Doge, Toncoin, Pepe, Pump.Fun. All these coins get love. They're not gatekept. They're prominently displayed on the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Crypto.com, I don't see us. I don't see us. CoinDesk, Pepe, $1.97 billion market cap. Where's PulseChain? Where's PulseX? Where's HEX? Let's look at Crypto Compare. Nothing on Crypto Compare. Coin ranking, I don't see us at all. I don't see us anywhere. Completely removed as if we don't exist. Hidden from investors who use these sites to make financial decisions. CryptoRank.io. Here we are, 250 coins in. Where's PulseChain? All of these communities are louder than we are. They've been around for longer. They pay yield. What's going on? CoinCap.io. Live Coin Watch. This is wild. Not listed anywhere. This is opportunity for investors. Coin Codex. Fartcoin. We have $333 million market cap on Fartcoin. TradingView, where you at? Floki with a $477 million market cap on TradingView. No PulseChain, no PulseX, no yield generating store of value HEX. Slick charts. I added Coin Paprika because for the longest time they did list us. Ooh, here we go. 167, showing $753,000 of volume and a market cap of $337 million, which is wrong because 100% of HEX's supply is in play. It is locked. It is actively engaged. It is getting paid millions of dollars a month to just be locked. Here's it's showing only a $337 million total market cap for HEX. So Coin Paprika somewhat doing its job. Why are we gatekept? Before HEX and only HEX, governments had access to inflation, central banks had access to inflation, and Bitcoin miners earn inflation to buy and burn electricity. HEX pays inflation to the investors for doing the highest level value add that you can do in investing, which is hold. So HEX pays investors to hold, and it inflates to do it so that it can always pay what it's owed. But the investors who lock HEX for up to 15 years, that's who's receiving the inflation. And so HEX burns time instead of electricity. But this is too radical, and we're on our own network. There's buy and burn in PulseChain. There's buy and burn in PulseX. The final piece of the puzzle, which there's a sacrifice phase for right now. Currently, $5 million is sacrificed. In 4 days, the rate will increase. But as of right now, everyone's gotten the same rate, which I believe is 10,000 points for each dollar that they have sacrificed. We're directly onboarding from bank to PulseChain. We've cut out all the middlemen. That's what HEX does. That's what PulseChain does. It repurposes billion-dollar profit centers into buy and burns by eliminating the middleman. That's why we're gatekept. Crypto, stop gatekeeping us. We're not going away. We're not going to shut up. It's weird. How come? Why are all these sites gatekeeping us? For the crypto scam industrial complex. You lost. We won. And PulseChain is coming to run the tables in this industry.